Hello and welcome to another room tour. I don't know what this place is called. That's the front door. That's the kitchen. You guys are backlit. We can't see any of you because
because we're gonna just walk this way. This living room is beautiful. My name is Robert RJ. You can find me on Facebook. My Incognito Logic is my handle for Snapchat, Instagram, also as Twitter. We're here at the wonderful Hilton Fresca.
You also don't know the name of where you're staying, and that's fine.
But,
yes.
And this is actually the lovely kitchen. We have clearly over here some lovely amenities, such as a full refrigerator and freezer.
So why are we opening the empty refrigerator?
Just to show them the space that we have inside here. We have a blender just in case you want to make some nice cocktails just to end the night on a good note. And over here, right here, we have a dishwasher. So if you guys are lazy at night and you don't want to have to worry about washing dishes.
It says clean. Are there dishes in there right now?
Let's see. No, but it is rather warm, so they probably just re-cleaned this.
Oh.
They know that they cleaned this for us. Okay. Let's move over here. Over here we have the dining room. This is a great nice dining room. We can seat about what, 6 people here. Cindy's over here just enjoying herself as she got like nice and settled down.
I'm in the mirror.
And over here we have a lovely living room complete with a couch and a nice chaise to sit there with a flat screen TV.
Oh yeah, let's look at the TV.
With a DVD player just in case you know those lights. Now noted, with the room you do get to rent a DVD every night.
Is it free?
I don't know if it's free. We can check it on that. But we do know that they give us a card to rent the DVD. Maybe they charge it to your room. But it's one less thing you have to worry about just in case like it's a rainy day or it's an early night and you guys don't want to actually go out. We have a lovely, nice little balcony stairs area, and actually just know that it is encased so you don't have to worry about bugs or extra critters that you did not want to have on your vacation. And it opens up into the master bedroom, which we'll go and see a little bit later. So let's go back in. We'll get to the master bedroom in a second.
There's a competing.
So actually, while we're here, we do have a nice closet. You can put your stuff in there. This is where you keep your iron. And
You have to look at it to make sure it wasn't iron?
Yes. So we're gonna come into the bedroom.
The third bedroom.
We have a little bit of a situation here, so we're just gonna go into the other bedroom.
We're gonna turn around.
We don't compete, we just be.
Okay.
So back over here, we're gonna go. When you get into the front door, we also have
It's still the front door. It's the washer and dryer.
The washer and dryer in there, so you can actually, just in case you get like a little dirty, you don't have to worry about sending it to the cleaning services.
You could wash your clothes before you go home, so you don't have to take home dirty clothes.
Exactly.
And wait, there's soap in there too?
I don't think so.
That's soaps.
Oh, wait,
These are soaps.
Yeah, so it's a little situation. They're not the best, but at least you know that you can do it and you don't have to worry.
And it's already paid for. Think about that.
You don't have to worry about that.
If you were staying at a hotel, not one of these, you have to pay just for the soap.
So we're gonna knock on here just for. Okay, so this is a 2-bedroom with your basic flat screen TV. I don't believe that there is a DVD player, but there is a nice alarm clock with the old iPod connection, but we're not gonna get into that. You can still use the alarm clock.
Does this one have a balcony, Rob?
This one doesn't have a balcony, but it does have a window that actually outlooks over to the lovely parking lot. All
right, let's look at our views. It may not be the greatest, but you know what? It's not awful.
It's not an industrial park.
Exactly.
Here also has their own closet, which is actually a nice spacious closet.
It is a big closet.
Unless you're staying here for like 3 months, I don't think that you need more than that.
No, not at all.
So we're gonna go in here. You guys will be using this bathroom, which is a nice cute bathroom. Standard like home style stand-in.
It's large. I'm gonna take a step back and I need you to like count your steps. 1, 2, 3. Like 3 big steps into this bathroom. It's a large bathroom.
And you actually have the one sink unit with full storage situation. Like this is like your standard nice home bathroom with looks like a marble countertop. Now we're gonna go into the piece de resistance. This is going to be your master bedroom, or the master suite, with this lovely master couch, which has the same entrance to what we alluded to before. You have a closet here, your own closet so you can get your stuff with the deposit, with the safe box in here. Just in case you guys don't really notice, we also have a jacuzzi here, which you've already taken full advantage of without the water.
It comes with her.
Yes, it comes with her.
This is how it comes.
An option out of that.
With the room. There's a extra $500 charge for anything extra.
Per night.
Refundable, fully refundable.
Per hour.
Per hour.
Now we're gonna go into your personal bedroom with the lovely toilet that you'll be using here. And if you don't like bathtubs, you can also take a shower.
Shower. Yeah, I'm not going to actually walk in. I hate people walk in vlogs. I think that's rude.
But you can fit a good amount of people in there.
Yeah, you can fit a couple people in here.
Some fun vacation time.
We're just gonna keep going. It's fine. It's like you didn't even say it.
So we're gonna go in the room. We also have another flat screen TV with a nice, looks like a full size bed.
You sure that's not a queen?
No, that's a full size. I have a queen at home. It could be a queen, but
It's a queen. It doesn't seem long enough though, but it is a very large bed.
But it looks like it's comfortable. It gets the job done. You're trying to rest not, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then you have the access to the enclosed balcony.
Yeah, the other side of the balcony.
So just make sure if you're trying to have a nice private night, you might want to keep this closed so that people who go on the balcony are not participating with you if you don't intend them to be there with you. Follow me throughout here, Doc. How you doing, Vern?
I'm doing great, Robert.
That's great to hear.
Subscribe to the vlog.
We're gonna move over here into the third and final bedroom of the place.
Oh yes, this is the bedroom we couldn't get into earlier because there was a slight traffic jam.
So we also have another, I think it's the same size bed. This bedroom actually has a DVD player with the flat screen TV.
Makes me feel like the other one does have it, we just couldn't find it.
Yeah, maybe. But we do have a side table so you can sit there and hear business at. And then we also have another chaise with
and another balcony that is also encased. So this is...
But this one has the balcony that you can oversee.
Yeah.
The man-made lake and everything that the...
You can see it from here? Oh, you
right
can. I can't get it. You want to try?
Yeah, sure. So if you guys go upon the... Okay, we're going to go right here. You can't really see it, but that's water in between those trees. We're going to try to zoom in. Let's see. So if you guys look, that's water, but... I mean, it's much better in person. I just want you to know that. We can't capture it because it's enclosed, but it's much better in person. I'm going to hand this back to our lovely woman of the hour.
All right. So that is, I'm going to keep it on me. I'm going to flip it up so I can see myself. That was the room.
But we still have a little bit more to the room.
Oh, wait. No, there is more to this room.
Because this one has a private kitchenette.
Yes.
With a balcony with a microwave. You have your little mini fridge. You also have your little mini coffee maker.
I love that it actually comes with the dishes.
I mean, most
I don't know why, but I love that about it.
And then you also have your bathroom.
Your bathroom.
So I mean, all in all, this place has everything you need to like start the party off right. I'm all about this life. Hilton, Honors, Tuscany, you got my vote.
You have some reservations.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Okay.
Oh!